Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we'll discuss about very important topic. It's organizational unit OU. Okay, I will discuss about what is an organizational unit. It is a logical container which contains active directory objects like users, groups, OU, and other objects. Also, it was also called as subtree. It is used for minimizing administrative tasks and it is used for organization and managing the Active Directory objects, and it is used for delegation the control to one or more users. Now I am logging to our server. Now I am logging to our server. Microsoft Word Administrative. I am logging to our server. Now I am opening Server Manager console. Here you can click on Tools and go to Active Directory users and computers. You are having some users are there. Sandy is there, Sandeep Vasunjati is there, and ABC is there. Now, here you can see our domain name Microsoft Word.in. Right click on here. Here go to new and click on organizational unit. Here I am giving our organizational unit name as HY Hyderabad and click on OK. See here you can see here Hyderabad is there. Now in users, I am moving this ABC. I am moving this ABC user to our Hyderabad organizational unit. I have moved this one. See in Hyderabad you have ABC user is there. In existing user I have moved. I am creating another user as a new create new and user. I am creating username for example. We'll give username as DEF. Okay, and click on next. Okay, I have created DEF user and existing user ABC. I have moved in the organization unit. Okay, so this is the first part we have done how to creating that organizational unit. This is the organizational unit. I will try to create another organizational unit as YZAG and click on OK. Here I am moving this Sandeep user to YZAG organizational unit. See in Hyderabad we have ABC and DEF users are there. In YZAG you are having Sandy user is there. This was the creation of organizational unit. This is just simple. This is the creation of organizational unit. Now, now in this lesson, I will tell you how to delete the organizational unit. Now open Server Manager console again. Here click on Tools. Click on Users and Computers. Here you can see Hyderabad organization Vizag. Now I'm right click on Vizag. I'm just click on the delete and click on S. See here you are getting the error as you don't have sufficient privileges to delete Vizag or this. This object is protected from accidental deletion. This is what the error we will get. So click on OK. Now I will tell you how to delete. Here you can see view is there. Click on view and click on advanced features. Okay, advanced features is there, right? Now click on YZAG and right click on this and click on properties. In properties, go to object tab. Here you can see product object from additional deletion. It is checked. You can uncheck this. Click on apply and click on OK. Now it's done. Now, here is there. Now I right click on the Vizag. Click on delete. Click on S. Again, click on S. See. Now Vizag OUS deleted. Only Hyderabad OU is deleted. This is the what how we can delete the organizational unit in Active Directory. Now, in this only third point is there. Delegation control. Delegation control means it is a process of decentralization and management of organizational unit and assigning OU to another users or groups. And this administrative by distributing protein, addressing tasks to another users or groups. Means you are giving control. See, for example, so many controls will be there. Only administrator can control. For this delegation, for the delegation, we are giving particular users to create to give some access to users. Now we will check how it will be work. Again, we will open Server Manager console. Click on Tools. Click on Users and Computers. Okay, previous you have Hyderabad OU organization details there. Right click on this. Click on Delegation Control. I'm clicking on Next. Here you need to add particular username. I click on Add. I'm giving ABC. ABC user is there. Check this. See ABC at Microsoft Click on OK and it click on Next. Here you have to see so many controls are there. Create, delete and manage user accounts, reset user passwords, read all user information, manage group policies. So many are there. Now I'm check this first point. Create, delete and manage user account. Click on next and click on finish. Now we will see whether ABC user can log in and he can create user accounts or not. Previously only administrator can do. Now we will see whether he will work or not. We can observe one thing. If any user will log in, what we will do? Before user login, we will do allow user to log on to domain controller. In previous video, we told about how to allow one user to domain controller. In previous video, we have allowed ABC user to log into server. So now I am giving control one access. See delete, create the user account. I have given access to ABC and user. Now I am trying to log into ABC user and I will tell you. We will see whether he can create user accounts or not. Now I am signing off from this. Again login. Click on other users and click on ABC at trying to login as ABC user. Yes, Microsoft World /world1 ABC. Giving the password. Click on OK. Now I have logged in as ABC login. Now here I will open Server Manager console. Sorry. Here it was asking for Server Manager console username password. I'm giving. I'm logged in as administrator or as now This was logged in. Now again I am going to click on tools, click on Active Directory users and computers. Now okay, I have created one user is there. I have created latest I have created one user, that is nothing but in this DEF. Right click on this, delete, and click on S. See, now it was deleted because we have given access for create, delete, everything. So okay, let's see. We will create again here users, new new user. I'm creating as Sandy. I'm creating new user. I have created a new user. Next, finish. See, Sandy user has also created. So this was the topic we discussed. How to create organizational unit, how to delete organizational unit, and also how we'll give access to one person, means nothing but delegation of control. Means is nothing but we are giving access to one particular user to access any access to delete, access OU by movement, and anything or organization unit or group policies, anything we are giving in this lesson. Any access you can give. This is called delegation of control. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.